Hi, this is Paul from Cheap Phone Reviews, and today I'm going to show you how to soft reset your iPhone 10. Okay, so this is basically the idea is if you have a little software fault and your phone freezes for some reason, or it's just a little bit sort of buggy. For instance, my back camera, it was about a month ago now, I was taking a picture and then I flipped it around to the front camera and it just went black. And I flipped it back, and then I flipped it back again, it was still black. So I did the soft reset, which I'm just about to show you, and it worked perfectly after that. It's just, now and again, they just need this kind of thing. It used to be with the old iPhones, you used to press and hold the home button, which would have been there, and the power button together for 10 seconds. But now, what you do with the iPhone 10 or the iPhone X, whichever one you want to call it, you press once the volume up, then the volume down once, and then you press and hold the power button. So I'll show you now. So volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the power button. It's not my screen flickering, by the way, it's just the camera. And then basically you press and hold that, keep on holding it until the Apple symbol comes up, which is there. So there you go, that's that done, and then it'll reboot itself in a second. iPhone 10s, they don't take too long. But yeah, that's what you need to do. Basically, if your phone freezes or anything like that. Not that the iPhone 10 freezes very often, but now and again it does need this kind of little soft reset. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. So there you go. And obviously I would have to enter my PIN in. I won't show you my PIN just in case. You just never know, do you? But yeah, so there you go. Yeah. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if it helped you. Sub buttons down below. Subscribe for lots of tips, tricks, reviews, and lots more. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.